Hello kids, and today's session for you, and it's today's session we are going to do lots of asanas and we will make them asanas. We will connect the happiness with asanas and let's make the exciting, happier yoga session. So let's get started. Okay kids, let's get started. Make a comfortable gap between your legs and transfer your body weight on your right feet. So, we are going to do the palm tree pose, and this pose will really help you to find out the balance. So, how to do this pose? You need to fold your left leg knee and fix it at the root of your right thigh. Now, balance your body, balance. Now, open your hands. Inhale, bring your arms up, try to touch your palms, don't get disbalanced. Bring your eyeballs to the one point. Stay here for few seconds or according to your balance. Balance, just for 5 to 10 seconds. Keep breath, keep breathing, hold, balance. Now slowly release your hands first and then your leg. So this asana is really very helpful to increase the focus, at same time makes you feel happy. Okay, let's do second asana. Second asana is a padasana, and this asana will really help you to give the proper stretching to the entire legs, at same time makes you feel happy, confident and focused. So how to do the second asana? Simply make a comfortable gap between your legs. Fix your feet firmly on the ground. Bring your arms up. Turn your palms outward. Exhale, lean your body down. Try to touch the floor if you can. Open your fingers. Stay here. If you want to walk, try to do the walking here. Feel the stretching to your legs. Hold for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Bring your arms up and slowly down. This padasana will really help you to give the nice stretching to your legs, strengthen your back, makes you feel light, happy. Okay, so let's do other asana. Next we are going to do the amazing pose, and this pose will help you to, we can say that it makes you feel energetic, powered. It's really good for the eyes, ears and for the facial muscles also. So how to do this asana? Next we are going to do the downward facing dog. So let's do the dog pose. How to do this dog pose? Simply go back side of your mat, touch your knees on the ground, open your fingers, fix your fingers on the your palms on the ground, tuck your toes inside. Lift your heels up. Keep bending your knees. If you are feeling fine, then you can straighten the knees like that. Stay here for 5 breaths. 5. Try to press your knee caps back as much as you can. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now fold your knees, sit down on your mat. Okay, so next is a child pose. Kids, it's a child pose. So how to do this child pose and how it helps you? Most of the time we are feeling stressed due to study, academics, due to tuition sessions, many other things. Or we are not feeling too much energy, or we feeling lethargic, stressed, or there is a lots of problems around us. So this asana will help you to decrease the stress level and makes you feel blessed and happier. So, how to do this pose? How to do this child pose? So, sit in Vajrasana. Do not sit on your heels. Bring your arms up. Open your fingers. Hey kids, let's do the child pose. Exhale, go down. First touch your fingers and then your forehead. Stay here for a few seconds. Try to hold this posture at least for 30 seconds. Inhale and get back. Arms up, hands slowly down. So this posture is really very good to increase the focus, helps us to help us in academics. At same time, it makes her feel relaxed, calm, and at same time, this asana is really very helpful for the facial muscle growth or increase the focus or work on direct pituitary gland. So let's work on other pose or second variation of the same pose. So let's strengthen the back. After tuition sessions or after a long study, we start feeling, our kids start feeling a little discomfort in the back or on the glutes. So this child pose variation too will help them to release the entire buttocks and the legs as well. So bring your arms up. Exhale, your palms on the ground. Exhale, go down and try to touch your chest and your chin on the ground. Hold here for 30 seconds. Now gently get back, arms up, and release your hands by the side, knees together. Let's do the other asana. And this other asana is really very helpful to strengthen the entire back, increase the energy in body, improve focus. At the same time, it makes you feel calm and relaxed. So, what is next asana? Next, we are going to do the Janu asana. How to do this pose? Simply open your legs in front of your body. Straight your both legs. Stretch your toes inside. Pull your right leg and fix it by the side of your left leg, right leg thigh. Now, bring your arms up. Exhale, lean your body down. If you can touch your forehead down, try to touch it completely on your leg. If it's hard, then simply stay here, hold, and feel the stretching to your leg. Lengthen your back. Hold for 30 seconds. Now, after 30 seconds, gently get back, bring your arms up, release your hands. Let's do with the other side. Open your right leg, pull your left leg by the side. Bring your arms up, exhale and down. Try to touch your chin with your leg, otherwise you can touch your forehead as well. Stay here, hold. Inhale and back, and release your hands. This Janushree Asana will really help you to strengthen the entire leg, back, and your body. Okay, so let's do the other asana. Let's do King Cobra snake pose. So this snake pose will really help kid to improve the sleep pattern, because due to test, study, kids start feeling stressed or they are getting messy with the study stuff. So this asana will, this cobra pose or this snake pose will help you to feel energetic, strengthen, at same time boost the energy with this posture. So how to this cobra and snake pose? Simply lie down on your mat, and that should be a belly lying position. Lie down on your mat. Now, what you need to do, open your fingers, feet together. Now, inhale, lift your shoulders and try to lock your elbows. Lock it well and give the proper stretching to your belly. It improves the digestion as well. Straight hold. Let's strengthen the back, your legs, arms. Stay here for 30 seconds, or you can hold for the 10 seconds as well. Gently release your hands. Let's do once more. Fold your knees from the back. Straight. Enjoy. Inhale, go up. Press your shoulders back. Stay here for a few seconds to the snake pose. Exhale and down. Now, take support from the back and gently come back. Let's do last and final activity. Kids mostly facing lots of stress due to the study or many other things, because after study they are not feeling that much energy in their body. They start feeling stressed or they start feeling lethargic after studies. So this Brahmari Pranayam will help you kids to make you feel relaxed, calm, and at the same time increase your focus 50 times more. So how to this Brahmari Pranayam? Use your thumb, simply block your ears like that. Stop hearing outer sounds. Cross your legs. Spine should be right. Now, inhale through your nostrils and create a sound just like humming. So, block your ears, close your eyes. Take a deep breath inside and create a humming sound while you're exhaling your breath out. Release your hands, open your eyes. My name is Bholi and keep practice all these asanas to make you feel happy and focused. So, hope you love the video and don't forget to share your experience with me. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.